Happy Monday, real estate agents. This is Dawn Symington from Mortgage One, and I found this great article online that 5 things that mortgage bankers wish that you knew. So let's talk about them one at a time each week for the next 5 weeks. The first one is keep us in the loop, please. We really love and appreciate that. You're going to want to keep me on speed dial, especially as you come into turbulent house situations in which you have questions on. That might be questions on financial matters, on down payment or concessions. Perhaps your house needs a repair escrow and how to deal with that, how to change the sale price or come down in concessions, for example. There might be other questions that you have. I love it when one of my real estate agents takes a photo of something that's questionable in the house and sends it to me and says, "Hi, does this need to be thought about to pass either FHA or conventional financing? Is this going to be an issue?" Then from there, myself and my team can take it to an underwriter and get the questions answered for you so that you don't encounter those problems after contract and while we're going through appraisals. So this is Dawn Symington, providing fantastic mortgage solutions for you and your clients. Thank you.